Sometimes inspiration can be found in the most unlikely places. Take the Humble Bridge. Most people look at bridges as a means to an end. They connect cities, states, and countries, helping people commute to and from their destination. But some bridges are mesmerizing wonders that are worth looking at on their own. Helix Bridge. The Helix Bridge at Singapore's Marina Bay was inspired by the geometric arrangement of a DNA strand, resulting in a walkway that is enclosed by opposing double helix structures of stainless steel. Gateshead Millennium Bridge. The Gateshead Millennium Bridge is a pedestrian and cyclist tilt bridge spanning the River Tyne between the Gateshead Arts Quarter on the south bank and the quayside of Newcastle upon Tyne on the north bank. The bridge is sometimes referred to as the Blinking Eye Bridge due to its shape and its tilting method. Langkawi Sky Bridge, one of the world's highest single-support bridge. This curved half-moon-shaped pedestrian bridge set among the clouds grants non-acrophobic adventures 360-degree views of the Langkawi Islands and the Andaman Sea. Whampoa Dagio Bridge. Whampoa Dagio Bridge is a two-tiered bridge over the Han River that features the Moonlight Rainbow Fountain, the world's longest bridge fountain recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records with 380 water jets and a dazzling array of multicolored lights. Golden Bridge. Nestled just outside of the city of Da Nang, Vietnam's Golden Bridge may be the world's most unique footbridge. It connects the nearby cable car station to the beautiful gardens of the Ba Na Hills Resort. Set against a backdrop of lush, fantastical scenery, the bridge rises from the ground, supported by two giant hands constructed of fiberglass and wire mesh, designed to appear like stone hands that support the structure. Hang Shou Bay Bridge. With waves that reach 25 feet high and crash on the shore at 19 miles per hour, the rough waters of Hang Shou Bay had to be studied for nearly a decade, and this is the longest ocean crossing bridge in the world. Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge. Zhangjiajie Glass Footpath is a skywalk bridge in Zhangjiajie, Hunan, above the Wulingwan area. The bridge, built as an attraction for tourists, is glass-bottomed and is transparent. When it opened, it was the longest and tallest glass-bottomed bridge in the world. The Bosporus Bridge. It is a suspension bridge linking two continents completed in 1973. The suspension bridge, the only bridge in the world linking two continents, Europe and Asia, has been in the works since 490 BC, when the bridge was made of a fleet of boats. Magdeburg Water Bridge. The Magdeburg Water Bridge is a navigable aqueduct in Germany that connects the Elbe-Havel Canal to the Mittelland Canal and allows ships to cross over the Elbe River. At 918 meters, it is the longest navigable aqueduct in the world. Veluwemeer Aqueduct. The Veluwemeer Aqueduct water bridge in the Netherlands is a beautifully designed piece of transportation architecture that appears to be an optical illusion when viewed from above. In reality, the road continues under 3 meters of water for 25 meters before re-emerging onto the other side. This unique design allows for the constant flow of road traffic while allowing boats and small ships to pass overhead. Bridges and humans have had a long history. They are the marvel at the engineering genius behind some of the world's most remarkable bridges. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.